How to upload your video on Google Drive. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your video on Google Drive. To upload a video on Google Drive, first of all, you'll need to go to your Google Drive. For that, you'll need to open your Chrome browser on your device, and at the right side of it, you will find 9 dots or the Google Apps application. Click on it to open it. And once you open it, here you will find the Drive option. Click on this Drive icon and you will reach to your Google Drive. Here make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now here you can create a folder where you would like to upload your video. Or if you want to upload your video without creating any folder, you need to click on this plus icon that says new at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. There you will find File Upload option. Click on this File Upload and now browse your computer for video file you would like to upload. Once you have found the video you would like to upload, you need to click on it to select it. And then you can click on this open button right here. Once you do so, it will start to upload. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status at the right bottom below. Wait until this upload completes. And once the upload is complete, your video will appear in your Google Drive. Now you can simply tap on it to play it. So by following these steps, you should be able to upload your video on Google Drive. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.